Come on, that's kind of amazing.
Put it back under.
Oh, and you know those little tennis balls?
Yeah.
Pong makes them. Not those ones specifically, but we can buy more.
Hi.
But it's not even a ball anymore. It's just like an oval. And it doesn't bounce. Sorry.
I can't tell if you'll be able to see her or not. She's so black.
I mean, what happens when she just like bites a massive hole in this bed?
I don't know, we're getting pretty close.
I mean, she really is wearing it then. Do you see her smelling it out?
Yeah.
I mean, she came up with it all on her own.
When
We
he,
never hit the ball before.
when he plays this game every night. Sometimes for hours. She always wins.